And Customs Chief Rufy Biazon says they will pursue the legal battle to pave the way for the computerization of the agency. The Manila Trial Court earlier temporarily stopped the customs computerization, granting the writ of preliminary injunction sought by a losing bidder. More from Noel Perfecto.
Customs Chief Rufy Biazon once again called on all sectors, particularly the stakeholders with businesses in the ports of the country, to cooperate with the government's campaign to clean and remove all syndicated groups that continue to burden the country by giving them information on these groups. In a conference with media, as the court jumps the computerization program of the Customs Bureau, Commissioner Biazon says that he has petitioned it to the court and added that he has consulted customs lawyers to give further costs to the case.
Computerization does not necessarily mean termination of personnel because there are other manpower needs of the Bureau na mapagagamitan yung existing personnel natin. Kailangan natin i-push through to dahil isa sa mga reform measures yun. Yung mga ang objective natin is to minimize human intervention in the whole process, therefore making it easier to do business with the Philippines. So it's a project that we believe in.
With this, he stressed that government campaign against syndicate groups continue, most especially now that President Benigno Aquino III is behind the initiation to restore the customs image. Biazon said that he will not be deterred by wrong accusations from enemies of the Bureau, and he will assure that illegal operations of smugglers will be gone in due time.
Huwag na lang nating gamitin pang issue na iba to sa Pangulo at sa ating Secretary ng Finance, yung pahayag. Dahil ang ating tungkulin ngayon ay ipakita na lang sa ating aksyon na hindi nga deserving yung Bureau. Pero dahil yun ang pahayag ng Pangulo, tanggapin na lang natin yun. At kumilos na lang tayo in accordance dun sa kagustuhan niya na malinis ang Bureau of Customs.
In an interview, the Aduana Business Club agreed to help with the new changes of the Customs Bureau.
Actually, doon pa namin yung gustong mangyari, yung paglinis sa aduana. Yung transacting public masyado nang nasasaktan mulat sa pool. At ang nangyayari sa ngayon, nag-hain na kami ng actually 6 talking program to reform para sa aduana. At nagkaroon na kami ng initial na mga pag-uusap tungkol dyan bago parang gumaganap ang sauna ni Pinoy.
Meanwhile, despite the grievances of BOC Employees Association with the new changes, they said that they will adhere and aid this drive of the government.
Kung panawagan niya, let's do it together. Let's increase the revenue of the Bureau of Customs. Let's fix whatever the defects of the computerization program or the 11-point reform program. Then we can do it together.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.